What's up, world? You know what I'm saying? Sitting up here looking at my people, you know what I'm saying? My people, you know what I'm saying? And the last time I saw my people, you know what I'm saying, it was a while ago, you know what I'm saying? It was a while ago. But this God, man, you know what I'm saying, this Adam, you know what I'm saying, and Eve out there somewhere. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Joe Lane, you know what I'm saying? Robert, Patrick, Stevie, Joby, you know what I'm saying? All y'all down there, man, you know what I'm saying? But y'all up here now, right across that water over there, you know what I'm saying? Right above me, you know what I'm saying? And this Gilligan, you know what I'm saying? Tell Mary Jane, you know what I'm saying, Mr. and Mrs. Howell, you know what I'm saying? Don't moan so loud, you know what I'm saying? I can hear them from up here. This Lawrence Fishburne, you know what I'm saying? Darryl Matthews now. Sam, Peck, you know what I'm saying? Greg Williams, you know what I'm saying? Harold Smith, Snow, you know what I'm saying? Rain, you know what I'm saying? Icebergs, you know what I'm saying? Gamboa, what's up, Gamboa? You know what I'm saying? Domingo, and shit. Frank Calderon, you know what I'm saying? Lane Frost, you know what I'm saying? Tough Hedeman, you know what I'm saying? You the man now. Tell Kevin and Buckethead Stavinoff, Stavina. David, you know what I'm saying? I seen that girl before, you know what I'm saying? I woke up with her before, a lot of times. Huh? Call you my girl, you know what I'm saying? There she go, there she go, there she go, there she go. Circle C, cooking, burgers, fries. You don't need no double up here. We 70-30, you know what I'm saying? 30 fat, 70 lean, you know what I'm saying? To put some meat in the right places, you know what I'm saying? And that butter, that gravy, chicken, you know what I'm saying? Turkey, you know what I'm saying? Same shit. You need, you know what I'm saying, that pit, yeah, I ain't gonna say that pit cock, you know what I'm saying, that pack, back, you know what I'm saying, you don't need that white meat, you know what I'm saying, and breast, you know what I'm saying, a stick with you, you know what I'm saying, they supposed to, that's your milker. You know what I'm saying? Just lay low. Shit, now, what's up, big boy? You know what I'm saying? This dirt, you know what I'm saying? Clay. You know what I'm saying? Clay, baby, man. It's gonna be a show, you doing it now. Vernon Clay, you know what I'm saying? And Vernon George, you know what I'm saying? Gene Gasson. And Irma Jean Dots, you know what I'm saying? You get that dot on your back, they'll think you a superhero, you know what I'm saying? And they'll marvel at you, you know what I'm saying? Make marbles, you know what I'm saying? If they can get a clam open, you know what I'm saying? Go get some more oysters, Freddie, Jack A, B, and C. You know what I'm saying? And Daddy, what's up, man? Shit, ain't nothing Uncle Leroy. Shit. What Roosevelt doing? You know what I'm saying? Roosevelt. Causey. You know what I'm saying? Causey, man. Zach, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what Ryan told me, man. Shit. Long time no see, man. Roosevelt. Edison. Rosalind at? You know what I'm saying? She better not be with Eugene. That's plucking Gerald, you know what I'm saying? Plucking G upside his head, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know what G doing now, cause I'm God in that seventh letter shit. I'm in eighth heaven, you know what I'm saying? 805,000 G's, right? Shit, straight up shit. I don't know, I'm turning around and turning around and turning around. And I'm gonna drop it in a minute and I'm just gonna come straight down. Then I'm gonna put it back in gear, man. Shit, I'm the Jetsons now. The Jetsons, you know what I'm saying? And had y'all seen Wilma and Betty? Oh, goddamn. Oh, God damn, and Lisa, Steve's old Lisa. Oh man, Steve, man. Shit, man. And Larry, you know what I'm saying? AJ, Ernest, you know what I'm saying? You got that A in that Ern now. And Price, Stanley, and Ron, you know what I'm saying? You ain't ran Paul no more. You ran. What did they want to quit it? You ran. What is the Ingersoll ran? Ingersoll ran. Ingersoft ran. So that's, you can get at the jingle. You can get at the God. You know what I'm saying? You can get at one right there, the God. Rob and everybody else. Get at the God, you know what I'm saying? So, everybody, man, I think it's like, shit, if $5.2 million is what they owed me, and I didn't take it, you know what I'm saying? It's 3.2 left, because that was 2.2 they said I was supposed to get. 3.2 added to their shit was 5.2. So that was 38 years ago. And my money still, you know, I want my money, man. This shit, this big dog, you know what I'm saying, that we talked about. You know what I'm saying? And like I say, man, I can't, you know, I'm the one came down here with them station wagon bugs. Ron, Joyce Blaque gave it to me. That Louise Hanks' sister, you know what I'm saying, Joyce, Ray. You know what I'm saying? I keep my Rays in South Texas. And in East Texas, I keep my moon and my sun and my J's and my docks. Everybody doing their thing. And Miss News right across the street. That's where I stuck my hand up in there and got that big old boa constrictor out of the chicken snake. But then, you know, that was center. You know, I shot a big old black cat out of the tree too. He tumbled his ass down right in front of the church on the left eye side. So long as I didn't hit that eye, the right eye, you know, I can get it back. Like that big boa constrictor, Ryan, burn up. Out there was finna eat her up. You know what I'm saying? Big ass with you. So you never know what you're looking at, man. Don't look at no old woman that badly making it across the street, and don't take her for granted. Don't think she owe you shit for what you do for her. Don't try to move in with her to try to molest her. You know what I'm saying? Don't be Chester the molester. That could have been my brother. But Chester and Ray Murphy was cool. And Ray say, shit, I know that nigga didn't. Shit, and that was the white man asked me, you know what I'm saying, did I make any money other than, you know, room service? And I was like, what you mean? And then, you know, I put the $35, I mean, he had $35 sitting there. And I went on, put the tray down, gave him his food, and shut that door, man, and went back and told him. I said, Ray, man, and Raymond. It was Raymond. And Raymond and my boy, I'll keep forgetting them two names. You know what I'm saying? Went and got in that ass and made homeboy get my money. Ray Murphy made him get my money. You know what I'm saying? And then my other brother, he just said, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That could have started some fucked up shit. You know what I'm saying? Usher. Especially when Catwoman comes sometime, Eartha Kitt, you know. Eartha, you know Eartha. I never did get to meet her. But when Catwoman came, that was Eartha Kitt. Ricky knew her. You know what I'm saying? My first movie. One of my first movies. With Tommy Davidson and all them. So I really can't, you know, click on nobody, you know, mainframe. You know what I'm saying? I just know who you used to be. So if I see a smooth, you know what I'm saying, hair, you know what I'm saying, white hair, beard, and white hair, you know, on top of your head, I know you ain't made the transition. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. They want to try to mirror me. Mm-hmm. What they doing? Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.